Hello and welcome back to the Life Elite YouTube channel. Today we're in the Queen's Hotel here in Leeds and I'm going to show you around the Superior Family hotel room with the square view. So I'm going to take you around the room. We do have some of our stuff in here already, so just take that in mind, but I'll give you a bit of a tour of the room itself. So you've got a nice sized bed. You see my wife's lying on it there. With the back part as well, with some photos, some good decor on the walls, some wardrobes, nice mirror, TV, a desk if you're here for business, and also the view, of course, of the square. You have a sofa bed option here, so you can sit on there. And also the bathroom. Bathroom's not too bad. You've got a decent sized shower, maybe fit about four people in there. Not quite sure why that matters again. Obviously got this decor here. It obviously looks quite nice, but obviously when you get this decor you do get a few problems, a few marks here and obviously some gaps around here, but still it's quite a nice room. And you got the shower, all your conditioner, shampoos, bath and shower gel, and obviously a good option for the rainfall or normal shower head. Nice mirror here as well, obviously nice sink, toilet, glasses, towels, etc., and a towel rail here as well. But yeah, it's not too bad room. The room generally tends to have a bit of an American feel to it. And they tend to have all these like architraves around these doorways and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what the room is. Got these lights that dangle down, and of course you've got the little wardrobe area here where you can hang all your clothes, and there's a safe at the bottom, ironing board. And then you've got your tea, accessories, etc. as well. And there's your hairdryer. And the mini fridge down here as well. So that's it for the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Quite a simple, straightforward room. Quite a decent size as you expect for a hotel. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.